we go. Welcome to my Ninja Kitchen. My name is Roxanne Wilson. I go by Rox Talk Show. And today I'm showing you 3 of your Ninja Slushi machines so you can decide which one is best for you and know the difference between the 2 of them. Now, little call out for you. I am growing my YouTube channel to do more great things like this and to give you a chance and allow you to directly click and order from here. So you please subscribe, and also would really love it if you watch the video all the way through. Every second helps for me to get to that goal. Are you ready? Yes, and we will talk about the new twist. But before we talk about the twist, we have to go back to the origin of your Ninja Slushi. And of course, that's going to be your 5-in-1 machine. Your 5-in-1 machine, which now comes in all sorts of different colors, they've really made it exciting, actually allows you to do a 88 ounce is the total capacity. You'll put a minimum of 16 ounces inside the vessel, and you can make different things like slushies, which is going to be your general slushie. If you're doing like a Gatorade slushie, electrolytes, soda slushies will work easily in that. You can also do spike slushies. Spike slushies is going to be your alcoholic drinks of any kind that you'll put in there. Not Everclear, but things like beers, wines, also margaritas. You can make bushwhackers, pina coladas in there. Third thing you'll be able to do is make frappes. Frappes are going to be your frozen coffee drink. Just 2 cups of coffee, creamer, and some sugar. And next thing you know, you're your own Frappe meister. And then you could also make milkshakes. If you want to bring all the boys to the yard and make a delicious milkshake, you can do that in here. And last but not least, frozen juices. With your frozen juices, you're going to be able to, of course, just put your apple cider in there, your orange juice, and get something so delicious and wonderful. That's your original slushie maker, and it's been very popular. And like I said, now it has all sorts of great colors. The next slushie to enter the building is this one right here. This is your Slushi Max. The Slushi Max allows you to do almost twice as much of the ounces, 150 ounces capacity on this one. It also happens to have something that for the first time called the SlushAssist. Now, this one actually came out in 2025, and the SlushAssist is pretty magical because instead of hitting the different buttons to try and get the correct temperature, you can just say SlushAssist, and Ninja will actually read what's going on inside of it and determine the correct temperature to freeze whatever you're putting inside of it. So you don't have to do the guesswork or manually change the temperature. The other great thing about your Slushi Max is Slushi Max also allows you to have a higher alcohol content. So if you're doing some of those things that before in the original Slushi you had to actually water down, you do not have to do that anymore. You can just go right with it here. And it's twice as fast. As I said, twice as fast as your original Slushi. We thought it was the ultimate party machine until your Slushi Twist, which if you think about it, a lot of you probably came up with this in your head and said, if only, and now Ninja has gotten it. A lot of people were getting 2 slushie machines because you wanted to mix things. Some people wanted alcoholic, some people wanted non-alcoholic, or you thought, wouldn't it be great if we could do like a true cherry limeade or a creamsicle in one? Well, now you can. This has double barrels. Max capacity is going to be 48 ounces, which means each one of those barrels has a capacity when it's frozen even more. I'll find out that number and I'll let you know in the comments. So you have 2 separate barrels. You can actually work both of them separately, or you can enjoy a little twist. And when you twist, you can make actual twisty drinks all at the same time. What makes it even more exciting is with your Slushi Twist, you now have SlushAssist, just like we did in the Max, but you also have Dual SlushAssist. So I can just put 2 different ingredients in each one of these barrels, and then when I hit the Dual SlushAssist, it is going to read exactly what's in those ingredients and decide the ideal temperature. All right, so now that you know what we've got, let's try out this twist and see what it's going to look like. As always, I made it really easy for you. I put all of the links down below, and if you're shopping on sharkninja.com, please use the code ROX in all capital letters. That will typically get you 10% off. On the off chance that it doesn't, I still ask that you use my link. It's just that because sometimes they put it on lockdown because a lot of you love to use it. Okay, but let's go ahead and let's test out your SlushAssist. P.S. And by the way, I don't know if I told you this, the SlushAssist sold out within 2 hours when it first dropped earlier this week. More colors coming, so when you see it, you get it, you grab it, because it's in high demand. Let's try. Forgot to mention, they all have their own rinse cycle, so you're gonna be able to rinse it out very easily, and the top parts are dishwasher safe. Also, I just want to mention, as we're getting ready to use the Slushi Twist, the twist button mechanism right here is what you use to twist it. You just need to make sure that whatever cup you have is gonna fit on it. We're working on that right now. Okay. we go. Slushi Mania. As always, please give me a follow, share, and watch this video all the way to the end. If you're right to the end, I appreciate you so much. Check me out for more different tips and trips for the kitchen and more things on Shark and Ninja. Cheers!